Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Penyan India from Office Administration Education 2019, Faculty of Economy, State University of Jakarta. In this video, I will present my thesis entitled The Influence of Field Work Practice, Self-Efficacy, and Family Environment on Student at SMK Negeri 14 Jakarta. Chapter 1 Preliminary. Next, background. Vocational high school is a formal education institution that aims to prepare young generation who are skilled in the particular field of expertise to enter the workforce, because SMK graduates are equipped with the ability and skill to become a professional workforce, and also graduate student SMK can immediately work. Based on the result of data collection through the Center Statistic Agency (BPS), it showed that the open enrollment rate (DPT) at the educational level, especially for vocational high school, is the longer contribution among other level of education. Thus, it can be concluded that the absorption rate of the vocational high school graduate is still low in the world of work. Then, based on the result of initial officer with the total of 13 students, it showed that the level of red lines of students to enter the world of work is dominated by the tool category. The result is that students still feel doubtful about their ability and feel they do not have enough insight to enter the world of work. Therefore, this will be a problem that will be examined in this study, and also based on the result of free research to determine which factor affects to the work rate lines. There are three factors that the highest, namely field work practice, self-efficacy, and family environment. Next, research question. First, is there a positive direct effect of field work practice on the work rate lines of students at SMK Negeri 14 Jakarta? Second, is there a positive direct effect of self-efficacy on the work rate lines of students at SMK Negeri 14 Jakarta? Third, is there a positive direct influence of the family environment on the work rate lines of students at SMK 14 Jakarta? And last, is there a positive direct effect of field work practice, self-efficacy, and the family environment together on the work rate lines of students at SMK Negeri 14 Jakarta? Next, research objective. First, knowing the positive direct effect of practice on the work rate lines of students at SMK Negeri 14 Jakarta. Second, knowing the positive direct effect of self-efficacy on the work rate lines of students SMK Negeri 14 Jakarta. Third, knowing the positive direct effect of family environment on the work rate lines of students at SMK Negeri 14 Jakarta. And last, knowing the positive direct influence of field work practice, self-efficacy, and the family environment together on the work rate lines of students SMK Negeri 14 Jakarta. Next, chapter 2, theory study. Next, theoretical study. Variable Y, work rate lines. Job rate lines is a condition of maturity processed by a person both physically and mentally, skill, knowledge, and experience in which the person is able to be responsible for completing the tasks given with the ability they have. The indicator is first, logical and objective. Second, corporate. Third, self-control. 4, critical attitude. 5, responsible. 6, adapt, and last, ambition. Next, variable X1, field work practice. Field work practice is a job training activity that is given to students and implemented directly in industry in an effort to improve student abilities and skill. The indicator is first, knowledge, second, skill, and last, attitude. Variable X2, self-efficacy. Self-efficacy in an individual belief about one's ability to organize, complete tasks, achieve goals, produce something, and take action to demonstrate certain abilities. The indicator is first, task difficult level, second, belief strength level, and last, individual belief in self-ability. Variable X3, family improvement. The family improvement is a small group connected by marriage, blood ties, and adoption that affect the development and personality of a person in his life. The indicator is first, how parents educate; second, relation between family member; third, home atmosphere; and last, economy situation. Next, conceptual framework and hypothesis development. Hypothesis 1, there is a positive and significant direct effect of path work practice on work deadlines. Hypothesis 2, there is a positive and significant direct effect between self-efficacy and work deadlines. Hypothesis 3, there is a positive and significant direct effect of the family improvement on work deadlines. Hypothesis 4, there is a positive and significant direct effect of path work practice, self-efficacy, and family improvement on work deadlines. Chapter 3, Research Methodology. Next, result flash and time. Research flash. This research was concluded on class 12 student at SMK Negeri 14 Jakarta, which is located at Jalan Nanas 2, Matraman S, Jakarta. The research time. The time of this research was carried out from January 2023 to June 2023. Next, research design. The research approach used in this study is to use a quantitative approach to the survey method. Next, population and sample. Population. The population in this study were students at SMK Negeri 14 Jakarta with a total of 623 students. The affordable population in this study were all class 12 students at SMK Negeri 14 Jakarta. Sample. The sample used in this study is by using the sloping formula approach, and the sampling technique used is probability sampling. Next, data collection technique and data analysis technique. Technique of collection data. The data collection technique used in this study was a questionnaire measure of the instrument took a Likert scale which consists of 5 alternative answers. Technique of data analysis. The data analysis technique in this study used this particle square (PLS) based structural equation model (SAMS) using two model. Model 1, outer model. First, convergent validity. Second, discriminant validity. And last, composite reliability. Model 2, inner model. First, R square. Second, F square. Third, predictive relevance, for variance inflation factor, and last path coefficient. Chapter 4, result and discussion. Next, profile respondent. In this research, researchers distribute questionnaires to 132 class 12 students at SMK Negeri 14 Jakarta. It can be seen from the research data table that there are gender category and expertise program. Next, descriptive analysis. First, average score of work deadlines indicator, variable Y. From the table, it can be seen that the highest average indicator of work deadlines is found in the responsible indicator. Next, average score of work practice indicator, variable X1. From the table, it can be seen that the highest average indicator of work practice are found the attitude indicator. Next, average score of self-efficacy indicator, variable X2. From the table, it can be seen that the highest average self-efficacy indicator is found in the task difficulty level indicator. Next, average score of family improvement indicator, variable X3. From the table, it can be seen that the highest average family improvement indicator is found in the home atmosphere indicator. Next, outer model, convergent validity. To find out whether the research data is valid or not can be seen through a correlation value of greater than 0.7 to be site valid. Based on the following table, it can be concluded the all construct in the research fulfill the requirement and validity. Next, discriminant validity. First, discriminant validity HTMT. HTMT value of finds variable x1 and x2, x1 and x3, x1 and y, x2 and x3, x2 and y, and x3 and y less than 0.9. So it can be concluded that the value of all discriminant validity of HTMT less than 0.9 is fulfilled. Second, discriminant validity for Warner-Lacker. It also been seen from the calculation of the table above that overall the result of Warner-Lacker discriminant validity are met because the root value of the EV is greater than the correlation with the other construct. Next, discriminant validity loading factor. It is known that in each indicator of work practice, self-efficacy, and family reinforcement and work rate lines have a greater value than other loading construct. So it can be concluded that the discriminant validity analysis of outlet loading is fulfilled. Next, composite reliability. A variable is said to have good reliability if the value of composite reliability and Cronbach alpha greater than 0.7 and the EV value greater than 0.5. The result of the composite reliability test show that all constructs have composite reliability value and Cronbach alpha greater than 0.7 and F value greater than 0.5, so it can be said that all of these constructs are reliable. Next, inner model R square and F square. R square. The R square is done to find out how much of the endogenous variable y and be explained by the exogenous variable x. Based on the result of the analysis, the R square value is 0.351, which means that exogenous construct variable x1, x2, and x3 simultaneously affect y. Next, F square. Based on the result of the F square, it is known that the result of the three variables are moderate because the F square value is greater than 0.15. Next, Q predictive relevance. The requirement of the Q test if the value of Q greater than 0 indicate the model has predictive relevance, and Q less than 0 indicate the model has less predictive relevance. The Q predict value in this research is 0.274 greater than 0 and include a moderate predicted relevance value. So this research model has moderate predictive value in which the model use sufficiently explains the information contained in the research data. Next, PIP. It can be seen from the table beside that all indicators have a tolerance greater than 0.2 of 5 less than 5. It can be concluded that there is no multicollinearity between the variables that influence this result. Next, hypothesis test. If the result of the path coefficient calculation value are positive, it can be concluded that there is a positive influence between the independent variable on the dependent variable. The table 1.96. As for the path coefficient table, it can be seen that a significant level of probability value of a hypothesis can be achieved when the value less than 0.05, so that it can be said that there is a significant influence or how is achieved. The result of Petco-Paschen analysis on all variables in this research showed positive and significant results because all variables had a t-statistic value greater than t-table and p-value less than 0.05. Next, discussion. Hypothesis 1 achieved. Based on the result obtained, t-statistic 3.164 and p-value 0.001, so that hypothesis 1 in this study is achieved. In line with research conducted by Wibowo and Nugroho 2021, Setiadi et al. 2021, and Yantu et al. 2023. Hypothesis 2 achieved. Based on the result obtained, the statistic 2.565 and p-value 0.005, so that hypothesis 2 in this study is achieved. In line with research conducted by Yasinta and Aminuddin Irfani 2022, Kadifa et al. 2018, and Kusno Hotima and Suryadi 2020. Third, hypothesis 3 achieved. Based on the result, the statistic were 3.343 and the p-value was 0.000, so that hypothesis 3 in this study was achieved. In line with the research conducted by Ramlodiati, Mutoharo and Rahmanitias, and Nurhayati and Kusmurianto. For hypothesis 4 achieved. Based on the value f square, variable x1 is 0.288, x2 is 0.179, and x3 is 0.189, so that hypothesis 4 in this study was achieved. In line with research conducted by Zikri Maulidi et al., Ramayanti et al., and Mastur and Pramusinto. Chapter 5 closing. Conclusion. First, hypothesis 1 achieves there is a positive and significant direct effect of fieldwork practice on the work rate lines of students at SMK Negeri 14 Jakarta. Second, hypothesis 2 achieves there is a positive and significant direct effect of self-efficacy on the work rate lines of students at SMK Negeri 14 Jakarta. Third, hypothesis 3 achieves that there is a positive and significant direct effect of family environment on the work rate lines of students at SMK Negeri 14 Jakarta. And last, hypothesis 4 achieves there is a positive and significant direct effect of fieldwork practice, efficacy, and family environment together on the work rate lines of students at SMK Negeri 14 Jakarta. Next, suggestion. First, for future research that will conduct research on a similar topic, namely job rate lines, it is better to be able to add other factor or variable that can influence job rate lines, as interest, learning motivation, learning achievement, and career guidance. This is to expand the research variable in order to get even more varied findings. Second, more broadly to the scope of research samples, especially in testing research instrument, can also involve teacher and parents of students. This is so that it can describe the condition of the population as a whole and also add to the repertoire of research data. That's all the presentation I can deliver. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.